So what I did, they weren't interested in the streamer, so I tied on this very small, essentially it's a chironomid, little midge snow cone, so it gets down quick, and the smallest little Oros indicator. And I'm using white as well because fish can get distracted on colors of indicators, especially when you don't have it very far down. So you want to go with something natural. So white bubbles, white indicator, just less likely for it to be seen. So now we still got some fish rising over here. I'm going to see if I can pick up another one. Got him. Nice. Fish on. So again, I go back to the lesson here. The lesson is, right, if something's not working, don't be stubborn and stick with it. Switch up. Pay attention to what's going on. I saw these tiny little bugs that are sitting on top of the water. That means their aquatic evolution is sitting right below the water, which is just a little pupa or midge fly. So I tied that on an indicator, and next thing you know, I got a fish, and hopefully I'll catch a couple more. But that's the fly fishing tip of the trip, right? Is don't just stick to one thing. If it doesn't work in 20 minutes and you go through some pretty fishy water like this, switch up, find something that works. And that's how you catch more fish when you're out there fly fishing. There we go. Oh, I'm losing a handle on it. He's off. Got him. Oh, there's such a light take. Nice little brownie. Oh, he grabbed it. He's chasing it. Oh, he's still behind it. He's still behind it, still chasing it. Just eat it. Oh, that was great. Tried 3 times. I just have same thing. Scott, right? Is it Scott? Scott, yeah, same thing Scott had. It's just this little crystal bugger. But I thought I saw, at the end of the swing, I started pulling it in, and I thought I saw a fish moving, wake behind it. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna put a little more emphasis on the retrieve back. And that got his attention. That's great.
That's a good. You got out black and you got out.
Oh, dang it. I just missed another nice freaking yank. I lost the handle on it. It pulled it off my finger. Ah, dang it. Well, this is just, I was just being lazy and stripping it in quick, and then all of a sudden I had that one to go after it. And I thought, wait a second, might be onto something. Dang, that was a positive connection too, and I missed it.
You try and strip set then, pretty much?
Yeah, but a lot of times, they'll hit it when you're in the middle of the strip, and if your index finger doesn't stay on the line, then you just lose it.